So my role at the Cell and Gene Therapy Catapult is a Regulatory Affairs Manager, and this is part of the wider Access Strategy Group alongside non-clinical and health economics and market access. And our role in Regulatory Affairs is essentially to support therapy developers with the development of their products, specifically ATMPs like cell and gene therapies. And what that means is that we can provide regulatory support to developers, for example, from the UK, the EU, and the US, encompassing a variety of different product types and indications, for example, from oncology and rare diseases. Something that people might find surprising about my role is that we don't just work with documentation every day. We get to do a number of different things, such as conducting regulatory intelligence, presenting at events, and networking at conferences. And another interesting thing that we do in the Regulatory Affairs team at the Catapult is something called environmental shaping. And this is very unique, I would say, in the sense that we get to help influence or contribute to different guidelines and regulations for ATMPs by working with the regulatory agencies specifically. My favorite aspect of the job is being able to see the success stories that we can have with patients and the tangible impact that we can have on their lives. If I had to describe my job in 3 words, it would be unique, dynamic, and challenging. So the types of things I enjoy outside of work, alongside the usual things such as enjoying great food or hanging out with my friends, is going to live music concerts and theatre shows. I managed around 15 last year, my favourites being Pitbull, Dua Lipa, and Coldplay.